Congratulations on receiving your award letter. Your award letter outlines the financial aid package offered to you by UW-Stout, and I'm here to help you make sense of it. Before reviewing the award letter, you want to gather your cost of attendance information first. You can visit uwstout.edu/tuition to view your costs and utilize our net price calculator to determine your total cost of attendance. Your cost of attendance is an estimated total cost for 1 year. It's going to include both the things that are billed by the university, like tuition, fees, room, board cost, and so on. And it's also going to include things that are not billed to the university, like your personal expenses. So it's important to understand that this is an estimate and may vary based off your specific choices. Now, you will want to grab that award letter. The possible award types on your letter include scholarships, grants, loans, and work-study dollars. Let's start with scholarships and grants. These are funds you do not have to pay back. Free money to help cover your educational cost. This could include federal, state, or local opportunities from UW-Stout specifically. Then there are loans. This is money you borrow and must repay with interest. You'll see these types of loans you qualify for, like subsidized, unsubsidized, or federal loans. Remember, just because you qualify for a loan does not mean you have to accept it. You only want to borrow what you need, and we will need to complete additional steps to accept these loans. Finally, you might also see an option for work study. This allows you to earn money by working an on-campus job, and it's a great way to gain experience while earning some side cash in a bi-weekly paycheck. You earn this money as you work, so you won't receive it in a lump sum and therefore cannot use it for tuition expenses. Once you reviewed your award letter, compare the total aid offered to you by the estimated cost of attendance. The difference is what you'll need to cover out of pocket or with additional resources like savings, private loans, or outside scholarships. Understanding your award letter is key for planning for college. If you have any questions or need any help deciding what's best for you, please reach out to us at the Financial Aid Office. And take your time, ask questions, and remember, we're here to support you every step of the way.